They say behind every great opportunity is a great story. Well, let me tell you my story. Before I tell you how MCA can transform your entire financial situation, I want to give you a little bit about me before we get started. My name is Pastor Marcus A. Taylor. I started in this business actually not too long ago. I remember that night, tired of my 9 to 5, tired of my dead-end job, tired of working for somebody else, helping somebody else's dreams come true, but never tapping into my own potential. I searched hours, days, weeks, months, looking for an opportunity, a way out. I knew I wanted to be successful. I knew I wanted to be financially blessed, but I just needed an opportunity. Well, MCA was it. MCA is a suite of valuable services and benefits that everybody needs. And the best thing about MCA is the results are bigger than the product. What does that mean? It's an easy money method. I believe that about 10% out of the 100% of people that sign up actually don't use the benefits. Just 10%. The other 90% do. But even for the 10% of people that don't use the benefits, those people are still making thousands of dollars a month extra on the side just from sharing the business. That's right. No cold calling, no sales, no pressure. All you got to do is click and share. Some people use Facebook. Some people use Twitter. Some people use Instagram. Some people just tell their friends and family. But I'm telling you, all you've got to do is share. What's MCA? Nationwide roadside assistance, battery boosts, fuel delivery, tire change, lockout services, record towing services, travel reimbursement, trip planning, arrest bonds, bail bonds, attorney fees, stolen vehicle reward, credit card protection. Come on, should I go on? Emergency reimbursement, daily hospital benefit, accidental death benefit. I mean, these benefits are absolutely amazing. In addition to all that, you're going to get discounts on prescription drugs, dental, vision, hotels, and car rentals, all for just $20 a month. Listen, MCA's got over 12 million members, and we're growing every day. Life is broken up in opportunities and decisions. Here's the opportunity. Make the right decision. Join us today. I guess what I've been trying to say all this time is, welcome to MCA Motor Club of America. What should you do next? Click the Learn More tab. Check out some amazing member testimonials. Join us. I'll see you on the other side. God bless.